Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Maltego 4.10.1 on Windows operating systems. Either it may be Windows 10, 11 or servers. Okay, first go to Maltego official website, that is maltego.com. Then go to resources. First we have to create account. Without account also we can download and install, but later we need account to configure. So first create account by clicking on this create an account. Then click on use for free with Maltego ID. Then we have to provide all these details. Then we will receive activation mail. Okay, I have already created. So create account ID. Then click on resources. Then again for customers. Then click on download Maltego. See here we have the Maltego graph for Windows. See here we have the Windows, Mac and Linux. Then we have to select the .exe plus Java or exe. If you haven't installed Java, then select the first one. If you have installed Java, then select the .exe. Okay, first open command prompt and verify Java is installed or not. See, Java 17 is installed. Okay. The prerequisites are go to hardware requirements. See here, you will need a 64-bit of Java 8, 11 or 17. Okay, and these RAM requirements. Okay, so I have installed Java 17. So select .exe file. Then click on download Maltego graph. See, download started. See here its size is 165 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Wait until this download completes. See, download is completed. Its version is 4.10.1. Click on exe file to install. Click on next. See here we have two options, install for anyone or install just for me. I want to install for all, so select install for anyone. Then click on next. See, this is the installation location. If you want some other, click on browse and select the path. I'm okay with the default one, so click on next. See, this is the name, but in the start menu folder, better than Maltego. Or if you want to give your own, you can give. I'm okay with the default, so click on install. See, completing Maltego setup. If you want to customize Java settings, you have to select this checkbox. It is up to you, but Maltego has installed, so I don't want. If you want, you can select this one. Then click on finish. Now go to start. Then go to Petarva folder. See here we have the Petarva. Click on drop down. Then select. See here we have the Maltego. Click on it to open. Now see here activation options. If you have license key, you have to select this one. Otherwise, use the Maltego ID that you have created. Then click on next. Then online activation or offline activation. I want to see, this is the default one, so select online activation. Then click on next. Now select the terms and license agreement. Then select the checkbox and click on next. Copy this link or click on browser login. Now we have to provide the username or email. Then provide the password of this user. See, activation completed. Now go to Maltego. See, browser login was successful. Then click on next. See, Maltego graph desktop activation successful. Then click on next. Install transforms from utilities or Maltego local transform server. I don't have Maltego local transform server, so select the first one and click on next. See here, download data sources. A summary of progress to each item from these chosen data sources is below. See this. Click on next. Disclaimer, select checkbox and click on next. Click on next. If you want to automatically send error reports, you have to select the checkbox. Then click on next. See, now we have to select the default web browser. See, I have these options. I'm going with default system web browser. Then click on next. Privacy mode. See here we have the stealth and normal. I'm going with normal. Then see here the difference. Normal privacy mode and stealth privacy mode. Okay. Then click on next. We have successfully installed and configured. And see here, open a blank graph, open an example graph, or go away. I have done this. It is up to you. Then click on finish. See, I have opened sample graph. On the left side, see here in entity palettes, we have different options. You can go through each of them and you can practice. If you want Maltego product tour, click on start the tour, close it. See here we have different options. If you click on here, see it is domain name is maltego.com. See here we have different options. Okay, we can go through the documentation and you can practice, and the version of the Maltego graph is 4.10. okay, so in this video we have seen how to install Maltego graph 4.10 desktop version on Windows operating systems. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.